Hi everyone, welcome back to Kit in 60 Seconds. Today I'm going to show you how to put together a tripod. So we've got our tripod here, we'll give it to you like this. You can extend the legs using the clasps at the bottom here. Make sure they're extended all the way so it's going to be nice and level when you put the tripod up. And make sure that they're tightened there as well so it doesn't start to fall when you're trying to film. There we go, so all three legs are extended. And then you just push them out and pop it on the ground. Now you can use the other clasps to extend the tripod higher if you want. It probably goes to about here. And you can also use this little fastener and you can lift it up like so. This is a little bit less stable, but still alright to use it this way if you want. I'm just gonna pop it back down here, tighten that up. Now the tripod comes with a plate attached. And the way that you use it is that you take the plate off by pressing the black lever and it will come apart like this. And then it's really important that you put the plate onto the camera first before you put the camera onto the tripod. On the back of the plate, there's a little arrow that says lens. So if you point that towards the lens of the camera and then you just fasten it in using the screw here. Most of them will have a hook. And if they don't have a hook, you can use the little metal bit on your lanyard to tighten up the screw in there. And then on the tripod, turn it so it's facing the right way and you just click it in and tighten it using the black lever there. And just to make sure that it is working, take the camera and you lift it up, and if the tripod comes with it, then you know it's nice and secure and it's not going to fall off. When it comes to using the tripod, you can obviously just have it still and it will be nice and stable, or you can do a tilt or a pan. If you want to do a tilt, you loosen the screw here. Make sure the other ones are tightened up and it'll do a nice tilt up and down. And if you want to do a pan, tighten that back up. You loosen the screw here and it goes left to right and it will go all the way around if you want it to. And that is the basics of using a tripod.